So we have a login page and a show page with navigation between them. And the show page, all we're going to do is take the view that has a parameter behind it, drag and drop it as a read-only table. Okay. Login page, what we're going to do here is scroll down to the operation called execute with parameters for the view, drag it over, put it as a parameter form. This will create a page with one input parameter and a button. We tie the button to the navigation, click save, and run the page. When the page comes up, we get our default value for the parameter. We can change it, let's say 5,000, click the button, and the table on the next page will display all the employees that have a salary that is more than 5,000. If we go back, put for example 15,000 and click execute with params, we'll only get those employees. Here's another way to do it. What you do is you actually stick a method call between one page and the other page. So the first page or whatever other start of my operation goes to a method call that first sets a value and then goes to the page. To the method call you actually drag and drop the execute with parameters. Then you go over to your login page. Let's just create a very simple page with one button and one input text component. The button is just going to do the navigation for us, the go navigation, which then goes to the method. Now if you actually right click on the method and do edit binding, you can actually see a parameter, and what you need to do is set a value for it, and this can basically be any information from a backing bin or something like that. Specifically I'm going into the value of the input text from the login page. So I'm just picking up value, putting up in here, click OK, save everything, and run our flow. So we have our page, we put in a value like 10,000, click the button, this will invoke the method and then navigate to the next page where we see only employees with more than 10,000.